Welcome to your beginner's guide to ChatGPT for those 40 and older curious about this powerful AI tool. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that understands and generates human-like text, a versatile assistant for many tasks. For best results, treat it like asking a knowledgeable person. Be clear and specific with questions. For example, not just write a recipe, but write a simple healthy dinner recipe for two using chicken and broccoli. Context is crucial. Tell ChatGPT who you are, what you need, and why. If the answer isn't quite right, refine it. Ask to make it shorter or explain more simply. Practical example: writing a Facebook post to invite friends to a backyard barbecue. Ask, write a friendly Facebook post inviting friends to a backyard barbecue next Saturday at 3 p.m. Bring a side dish. ChatGPT generates a draft you can tweak to match your tone and details. Now, 3 common beginner mistakes to avoid for a smoother experience. First, don't be too vague. Specificity is key for relevant answers. Second, avoid single-word prompts. Use complete sentences and context. Third, don't forget to iterate with follow-up questions if needed. With these tips, you're ready to confidently use ChatGPT. Enjoy exploring.